Hello everyone, Von Marie here. Welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. I have a fun farmhouse card today. I am using the new farmhouse stamp set coordinating dies, and I am calling this card Life is Good. So I stamped a few of these images and I wanted to show you how I stamped some and colored a few. And I am using my stamping platform here, which I use about 95% of the time. A lot of the time it is just me not pushing down carefully on the stamped images, so it is not the images, it is just the way I am not pressing down hard enough. So that is why I love to use my stamping platform for my projects. And here are some cute images. We have the barn, a rooster, a table with a tablecloth, and eggs in a basket. And I will be using my Copic markers to color here. And I'm simply just using 2 sketch markers or Copic markers in 2 colors of the same family. And then I will be adding some brown on my barn, and I will be using some blue for the windows. And I thought this was fun to color. I think any color of a barn is fun. I've only seen maybe brown or red barns in real life, but I'm sure there is tons of colors, especially nowadays. So that is something I'm going to be looking for. Or I can Google it. Google is always fun. That is what I did for my rooster. I Googled a rooster and found a fun color combo to color it. So that is what I will be doing for my rooster. And so a few things. It is always fun to be subscribed to the Kat Scrappiness newsletter. I am a subscriber and I get emails of discounts and lots of promotions shown there, so that is always good, and it's good for giveaways as well. Also, I will have a listing of all the products down below in the product supply bar, which will take you directly to the Kat Scrappiness Store. So here is my fun color combo for my rooster. I'm using some yellows, reds, browns, and teals. And no blending, just fun coloring here. After my coloring, I will be adding some white gel accents. And also the coordinating dies I will use to cut out all my images. And here they are all cut out. And I'm going to be looking for a background paper, so I'm looking in the new Farmhouse paper pack. And all these patterns are so fun and pretty. I love gingham, and I just love pattern paper. So I will be having to use this carefully, this paper pack, or I'm gonna get me another pack because it's just so fun. And I really love this chicken and rooster and eggs background here for my card. And I am just going to use a slimline die for my background as well. This is called the Slimline Diamond Wire and Wood Grain Frame. And I cut it out in craft cardstock. And then I will use this rectangle die set, which is called the A2 Embossed Edges rectangle dies, and I am using the largest rectangle here. And so this will be an A2 card, and I will be cutting off the excess of the slimline die. I love that you can do that. And I'm trying to decide portrait or landscape. And then I went ahead and heat embossed my sentiment, "Life is Good." I love that barn on there. And I will be cutting it out with the coordinating die. So here is my card. Everything's layered. My barn is popped up on foam tape. So super cute. And I will use a few embellishments. These are the white confetti sprinkles. And these are new to the Kat Scrappiness Store. So make sure and visit the Kat Scrappiness Store. There is so many wonderful products and as well new products. So I will have that linked down below for you, and I am just going to use 3 of these sprinkles. Super easy, and that finishes my card. Thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.